Delegates of the World Health Organization at Pune World Summit 2015, a very warm welcome and good morning to all of you all. I am uploading this video to give you all a specific idea of participation as delegates of the WHO. Yes, you might have a basic idea of participation in MUNs after participating in the MUN that formed a part of the Enlightened Month session that was conducted for you all, or the lead sessions, and you might also have seen the training video that has been uploaded online. However, what you need to keep in mind is there are specific pointers in relation to participation in every committee of the UN or an MUN. So when you participate in the WHO, you need to understand your roles as delegates of the WHO, which is what I am going to be telling you about in this video. So the full form of the WHO is of course the World Health Organization. Now, as the name suggests, you discuss all health issues that face the world, so different diseases that are spreading, or major issues that parts of the world or children of the world or specific people in specific regions of the world are suffering from. You discuss these as a part of the WHO and come up with solutions to sort out these issues. One very important thing to keep in mind as delegates of WHO is CES, that is cause effect solution. So always look at the causes for any issue, effects of the issue, and solutions of the issue. So the agenda for discussion in the WHO is making expensive drugs for curing cancer among other diseases more accessible in rural regions of the Indian subcontinent. Now I'll read this agenda again with specific parts. Expensive drugs, right? Why are drugs expensive? How can they be made cheaper? Discuss this. Curing cancer and other diseases. What are the major diseases that people of the Indian subcontinent suffer from? Discuss all these diseases and discuss the drugs for these diseases, for example. More accessible. Why are they not accessible to members of the rural regions of the Indian subcontinent, right? Why is there lack of accessibility? Is it simply because of them being very expensive, or the roadways not being very good, or lack of hospitals and health facilities? What are all of these? And lastly, rural regions of the Indian subcontinent. Please categorize these. Please note, when I say Indian subcontinent, it does not mean India only. Okay? It means all regions of the Indian subcontinent. That may be Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh. All these countries form a part of it. So you are not going to be discussing specific regions only. You are going to be discussing all of these as a whole. So make sure that you all are very clear about this at every point in time. Do not specifically focus on a particular country. Yes, some of you all are delegates of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and all. That is very great. But make sure you discuss this as a whole. Present your views. In the WHO, you are not going to be majorly fighting with any country. All of you all are going to be collectively working towards coming up with a solution. For example, some countries do not have enough of money. They are poor. They don't have the kind of funds. They need foreign aid in order to sort out certain issues. So you are going to be discussing these effects. Your participation is going to be very different from those in the UNSC. Your chairs are definitely going to help you on, but do research well on all these aspects that are mentioned. I wish you all the best for Pune World Summit 2015 and look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you.